2 hours home decor clearance. So we're just gonna pick back up where we left off with some Temp-tations. So this is your set of 6 Figural spring ornaments. $21.96 on this clearance price. Your 3 easy payments are $7.32. It's item number H248180. And look at how gorgeous these are. First, you got them in this gorgeous egg hunt. And you're getting all 6 of these. Cannot wait to show you how you can use these. Below the egg hunt, that is your woodland mint and that beautiful lotus. Below that one is your woodland white. And then lastly, the flutter, the butterfly. Remember, butterflies mean transformation and hope. That's what you're getting with the butterfly. These are great. So what was the inspiration behind these? They're so cute.
Yeah, they're so cute. They're the perfect size. It's just about 2 inches tall. So when we first started with this concept, you see the little ring at the top with the satin ribbon. We wanted them as place card holders. Yes. So that you can literally put a little place card in here, put a name tag, or you can put whatever your dishes that you made, whatever it is.
A little buffet or something, yep.
That's right. And then we have this beautiful little white ribbon. So if you have an Easter tree, if you have a wrought iron tree, if you have one of those little white trees, if you want to stagger these down your table, if you want to put them in your bookcase, we did the perfect shape, the perfect size. You get all 6. And I had to laugh when you got to white lotus, because I'm just saying, white lotus.
I get it.
Yep.
I get it.
You know, you know. But here you go. I'm just saying.
I get
it. But look at this. This is all about charm. It's about color. Yeah. This is all hand-painted stoneware that you have known and loved from Temp-tations for over 21 years now. Beautiful at the top with our beautiful little egg hunt.
That's been very popular, by the way.
And then the lotus, I love these. And I actually have both of these in my house. I have one set in the mint, one set in the white, and I just layer them around in my bookcases.
You know, I looked up what lotus means. If you're not familiar what a lotus means, it means enlightenment and purity. So I love, like, if you're giving these as a gift, I'm all about giving, you know, gifts that have a little bit of a meaning to them.
Sure.
So, you know, maybe someone may be going through something and you want to gift them the lotus in a nice little self-care basket. You give them one of the lotus ones, the mint or the white. So I think that's a really nice way to
that's right.
to do that.
And if you are a collector of Temp-tations and you know the pattern woodland, this is that beautiful woodland pattern, which is classic and elegant. And again, both sides. And I love what you just said. You can actually put this on a gift. This could be 6 gift tags with a little name card or your little note just attached. These are just those little pieces that differentiate you from everybody else, right? Because
that's exactly what
it just shows all the care that you put into whether it's decorating, gift giving, having people over, setting a table.
Yeah, could you imagine, like, I think about this when you're having your Easter brunch or your Mother's Day brunch, or any kind of, you know, brunch buffet where you're setting up like a buffet. Not necessarily, you know, the dinner, you can do that as well. We know that, but think about that's that extra step where you have all those dishes and you have everybody write down the name of their dish on a card and you put it in here. That's what we're talking about, those extra little steps that make you like the queen or king of entertainment.
That's right. And that's right. You get that label like, oh, we're going to Manifest. She takes care of everything, right?
It's the little details.
She's the decorator extraordinaire. And when we look even over here.
I strive to be. I'm not there yet.
We all do, don't we?
We
get inspired. That's what this is all about. So the egg hunt. How about layering these in a little Easter basket?
Love that.
Right? And you just have maybe, or you just have a tray down the center of your table with some faux grass. How sweet that would be. These are stoneware. Hand-painted stoneware.
Okay, before we get to the next one, let me say a little thing about the Easter basket.
Yeah.
I have a friend whose mother still to this day gives her an Easter basket. Oh. They have changed obviously over the years, right? So they went from being candy and all of that stuff to things like this, more adult themed Easter baskets. So I think that is great. Like, why, if you're gonna give a little gift like that, you throw a couple of these into a little Easter basket. That's very sweet.
That's very, and thoughtful. Right, and so incredibly thoughtful.
And then we go down to the lotus ones. You were talking about them.
I just love these. These are elegant. They're modern. They give a really beautiful feel, and these are all textured, so I can literally feel that woodland mint pattern right inside of there. And again, not just one side, but both sides are done, which we love. And then, of course, we have our White Lotus. I can't with us because now every time I look at it, it's all I can think of.
White Lotus.
And you got to get to season 2 because it's the best.
That's what I hear. That's everybody was keep saying.
Yeah, you never guess the ending. But this is so pretty. And we actually have it on a table so we can see what it does look like. And then look at the beautiful, we call this olive flutter. It's our beautiful butterfly pattern. Look at the hand painting. So if you picked up the home sign, if you picked up the illuminated bunny house, again, these will all coordinate back. It's a collection.
That's nice. That's nice when you can get things that match like that. Again, it makes, Temptations has done the work for you.
That's exactly right.
They've done the work for you. You get it and you just all put it together and people think, oh my gosh, you spent a lot of time doing this. Well, really, you just kind of bought it and it did the work for you, which I love. But look at how it's set up on this table. If you're having a dinner or a brunch or something, look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous, Lisa.
Again, look at that lotus sitting on top of one of our, that's the big deal actually that we have right now. But look how elegant, how beautiful. That looks like it's from a magazine, doesn't it?
Really does.
And Monifa, I know you're like me. I get inspired. And then when I see the price tag, I get super inspired. Because I'm like, wait a second, 6 into 21. Okay, that's a really good deal for hand
And that's easy to do. Like, look, screenshot that. Take a picture of that. That's really easy to do. So if you know you're planning a really fun, maybe girls brunch or a Valentine's Day brunch or things like that, like that's easy to do.
Look how gorgeous that is. That sets this table apart from everybody else's table, those small little touches. And the thing about if you choose, like especially the lotus, they're seasonless. You can use those at Christmas time and put like a little red place card in there. So totally customizable. Look at that with the home sign.
Yeah, really pretty. Again, just an easy way to decorate. Temptations, they've done all the work for you. All you got to do is just put it together and people will go, wow, you really spent a lot of time, effort, and energy doing this. When you go, not really. But they don't ever have to know. They don't ever have to know. And that's what we love. So let me show you the choices again. Really simple. There are only 4. We have it in this gorgeous egg hunt. That's been very popular. Then we have the woodland mint. Next, woodland white. And then below that is flutter. These are $21.96 on this clearance price. Remember, these are going away. There is no reorder. Take advantage of that $7.32 easy pay. It's item number H248180. Thanks so much, Lisa.
Thanks.
I'll see you though. I'll see you in a little bit.
Yes.